Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this cacao mint smoothie. It is one of my new favorites, especially since it's hot out, afternoon obsession snacks. It's so good, and I love the cacao, I love the crunch of it, so let's go make it. So to make this smoothie, you need a high-powered blender like a Vitamix. It's just great, I love this blender. I use it so much, I can't even tell you. And then you're gonna need 1 cup of almond milk. You can use any nut milk of choice. I love 3 Trees. It's French gray sea salt, organic almonds, filtered water. That's it. I get the unsweetened. They're women-owned, and they're based in San Francisco, near where I live. So I'm gonna pour that in. I'm measuring this out for you guys. Next, I'm going to add, I would say it's about 1 cup of lightly packed mint leaves. You can also use mint extract if you don't have mint leaves. I think about 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2. This is really strong, but this will give it the mint flavor. But it's about 20 leaves plus tender stems like that. I don't pull them all off, that's all good. It's got some extra mint flavor. And next I'm going to add some bone broth collagen. I love bone broth collagen because it's good for your skin, your joints, your gut, and who couldn't use more collagen? Plus it has some additional protein to it that adds to your daily protein intake. I love Paleo Valley. It's grass-fed, grass-finished, third-party tested, and it's minimally processed, so that's why it's got kind of like that color in it. It's not pure white. It's because it's made, and it's also made from the bones of the cow, not the hide, which a lot of collagens are. Next, to give it the extra green color, I'm adding 2 cups of spinach. You can pack these as tight as you want, or just, do 2 big handfuls, whatever you want to do. So 2 cups of spinach. I love adding maca root because it doesn't really change the flavor too much, and maca is so good for hormones and stress. Women, we could use more of that. So that is an optional add-in. I add it to all my smoothies. And then I want to give it a little bit of some protein, but I don't want the full protein thing because this is my afternoon snack. So I'm adding 1 scoop of vanilla flavored cacao. You could do 2 scoops if this is going to be your protein, like post-workout shake, whatever you want to do. I love cacao, I love the vanilla, but you could use any vanilla protein powder. And if you don't want to do protein powder, you could try a teaspoon of vanilla extract and then just, change it to taste. And then I'm doing a frozen banana. Sometimes I add half of a frozen banana, sometimes a whole. It just depends on my mood. It is hot today, so I need a little bit extra. What I do is slice up the banana and put it in a stasher bag like this in the freezer, and I'm good to go. These are great if you don't have one. Now I'm going to mix this up, and I'm gonna blend it and then get it all pureed. And then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of cacao nibs. You could even do 2 if you wanted. I'm gonna have a tablespoon of this after it's blended, and then pulse it really quickly so that cacao nibs break down a little bit, but then they keep their crunchy texture. That's the best way to have this, because you're drinking it and you're like, got the cacao. This is what adds the kick. So I'll be back. See how beautiful green this is? I just pureed this and got it all smooth. And now, like I said, I'm gonna add the cacao nibs. So I'm gonna put in a tablespoon through the top. You could try 2 too, it's up to you. This is like a base smoothie. You can sweeten this to the way you want. You can add dates, you can add you can add some mint extract, more mint, whatever you want to do. But this is the base. So here we go. I'm gonna just puree it quickly. That's it. Now we'll pour it. I am so excited for this smoothie because I am totally sweating right now. It is like 90 degrees in this house. We don't have AC and it's hot out. So I'm going to pour this, and look how beautiful it is. It's just so gorgeous. You know what? Food is gorgeous. You know what? The more you cook for yourself, the more you make things for yourself, the more you will discover how good food tastes and how food is, our bodies need food. Our bodies need food, so why not fill it with nourishing, rich, whole foods rather than going out and eating some chips or something like that for a snack? Make yourself this mint cacao smoothie. Not only will your body thank you, but your cells will thank you. It's just so nourishing and so delicious. And I love the cacao nibs on top, because you get a little bit of crunch in each bite. So cacao mint smoothie, or Ren Mama Cooks, make it.